We're going to go down into the heart of the wood. Because she's not overly familiar with this woodland. She's been in it once before, Mabel. Just want to make sure she doesn't get out of sight. There's a couple of areas down there. I'm going to go up this way and try and come round in a big loop. Oh. I'm quite fortunate, I'm quite tall, I've got quite big feet, 12, 13 size feet, so they do support my frame well. But of course, as an older man, only 57, but older, I'll just put this up to discourage cars. I do put weight around my belly, as I keep saying, so it's a tricky one. And they say, even if you're doing sit-ups, it doesn't necessarily target the weight loss from that area. It'll tone up your abdominals, but the weight won't necessarily just lose it from that area where you're using the muscles, which is a pain really, isn't it? You could target an area and hope that the fat would go from that area, but not necessarily so. Sometimes, but not always. So this is a lovely walk down here.